Kasngi buram haka perthai borok away yakibri kibran juduna hakdkhot met ikbratip kumka the International Day of Person with Disability Summit Rakhe hakanong ba Shillong ka laitrik no pra ajar poi Ryngkat kapang pedeng leaderships and participation of person with disability towards an inclusive accessibility and sustainability post COVID-19 world. Hakani ke program rakhi balawan bani dan lang dau ba kermen sela menteri badik mi yakatnat social and welfare ka sorkar jylla bat ki wedi ki he officer ka sorkar jylla la banjur ya ka jingdon kam ban pun ko bor shushu ya ki brio ki duna dkhot met ban pun sha ya ki halor ki sinjam bak sorkar pat ki scheme ki bre namta ka jingpha ka chungki habakran ha ka jilang ba kermen sela ulong la kentu ki brio duna dkhot met ban sim ya ka unique identity card UDID bat ban pun thamai ki disability certificate shaka UDID ban pentikna bakinyo ikjimunto kibre hok maria pen I yaki kot kisla kiwei pat kibala ajingkan ki bakanthop yo GSPG Raju principal secretary katanan level u Amit Saf Joy Prakash Chaudhary editor in chief ka healthy India Chronicles u Rajiv Kumar member secretary ke AICTE New Delhi ka kong SB Marak commissioner Dr NP Lalu project director and state coordinator SRCDA civil hospital Shillong
Let's know handa kichikuslai kilaban kayanga benban ngalashem yuji suna pem jonga
I am aware that the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has been lending every support in empowering the person with disabilities. There are many schemes and programs offered by this ministry which are directly aimed for their upliftment, rehabilitation and empowerment so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are being implemented for the person with disabilities through the Social Welfare Department and other allied departments such as scholarship, uniform grants, unemployment allowance, provision of aids and appliance, transport and escort allowance, the Chief Minister Social Assistance Pension schemes to the person with disabilities, the state meritorious scholarship and several others.